Well, here it is, my friends. Now, don't be overly excited. I do not have the body attached yet. It is a very cool breeze, and we've had a little bit of a snow melt, but we've got an incoming storm, and I wanted to be able to at least test out the geometry of these links, and I figured the best way to do that would just be to come out here onto the rocks before it snows again and get it done. Now, here is a smaller 3S LiPo battery that I've got on this truck. If you missed the last video, you've got lots to catch up on, and in fact, if you guys did watch the last video, look at this. I chopped off the outside cover for the spur gear, that whole Vanquish cover, and I also modified the plate. There goes my lifetime warranty on this super shafty, but I was able to drop down this whole transmission and motor by almost a whole inch, 3/4 of an inch, so it's much lower to the ground now, which is beautiful. Look at its stance. It's on a little bit of an angle, but yes, it's a deer in the background. My wife and I like to shoot bow and arrows. So there you go. I wanted to test it out, give it a little bit of a try on the rocks, and see if I need to make any adjustments. Got a 3300 kV hobby wing axe system in here. It's censored brushless. And my Three Brothers RC servo on the front. Man, this is my first time out on the rocks in forever. It's my first go with my Overkill truck. It's gonna be smooth, but one-handed here. So this is a purpose-built truck for the TTC, the 2020 TTC in July. I'm just getting an extra early start. Look at that, lots of nice flex going on there. One-handed steering for the win. Whoa! Almost lost it there. Not bad, oh. I love that exposed spur gear. It just looks mean. Sorry guys, not a super high quality video today, but I wanted to watch this truck in action to see exactly where I could improve it. Look at that. Amazing belly clearance. Great control. Okay, a separate one just to do a drop down. Yes, that is going to be key right there, especially during the hill climb. I wanted to have a little bit of a longer chassis. Some guys have had chassis, 16 to 18 inches long. This is only about 13.5, the way it sits right now. And of course, a huge steep incline right here. I always scrape the belly on the trucks at the top here. Oh yeah. Oh, I could adjust my reverse throttle setting. Give it a little bit more exponential. Beautiful. Those Vanquish portal axles doing me proud right now. These things are fantastic and quiet. Straight under the bridge. Have a little better light over here. But look at this, it's a huge drop into a pinch. Not too long. I didn't want to be dragging my tail. These Voodoo tires kicking butt right now. Okay, let's see if I can actually turn this beast around. This is a very difficult drop down here. Oh! A little whiskey throttle there. Can I even save that? I don't think so. Nope. But we can have it drop down and try to recover from that area. Nope, bye-bye.